In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 1099-R on H&R Block. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Federal up here, so click on here and click on Federal, and from here, you first have to fill in your info. So this one, the first tab is your info. You have to put in all the information, of course, add what's missing, etc., until you complete this and get a green check mark next to it. When you do, you'll go to the second tab here, which is called Income, and you'll basically have to answer some questions at the beginning, and then eventually you'll come to this page, which will say your income is looking a little empty. If it doesn't say that, it's going to say this thing over here where it says, how did you earn money last year? Now, if you see this, you want to go to the bottom here, and this is where you can then add your 1099-R. So click on search for a form, type in 1099 and then -R, and there we go. You have it over here as the first one. You want to click on add, and as you can see, it's going to get added. Now, the easiest way to go there then is basically just to search for it again and click on go to form. And then here you can see retirement and social security. You want to click on add an account, and then it's going to ask you which one. And of course, if you're looking for the 1099-R, it's over here, but any others are over here. So we simply have to click on them. And then when you do that, click on next. And then there we go. It says form 1099-R. You can just go ahead and start over here and then start your form. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.